Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today we're going to start out this vlog with just me at work doing my thing. If you didn't know, I work in marketing and like digital marketing, but on this particular day I was on my way to a PR event, which was great because anyone that knows me knows that I don't like being in the office, so this was like a break from the office. So I was on my way to this event and it was at Seabird London. This was actually my first time going there and it was actually the food was pretty decent. I wouldn't say spectacular. I feel like the vibe and the views were the best part, but you can't go wrong with a PR event. And I ordered the half lobster with fries, which was it was okay. I wouldn't say it's the best. I feel like lobster in these types of restaurants are pretty bland, like there's no seasoning. I feel like they just boil it for like 5 minutes and put a bit of butter and that's it. So if you're looking for like a well-seasoned lobster, it's not going to be at Seabird, but it was decent, and the fries were nice too. So I'm basic, so yeah, overall it was a pretty good event. Hello everyone. I can't remember the last time I picked up the camera, but I think I was probably at work and it was like that PR event. But this weekend I'm just filming a bunch of videos. I've actually just got done filming, which is why I'm like all done up. And then tomorrow I'm meeting up with one of my girls and we're gonna go to this Mediterranean like restaurant shisha lounge. So that would be nice. I went on their Instagram, I looked at their menu and it looks really good. So yeah, I'm doing that tomorrow. But right now I'm just filming a ton of videos. I'm doing like my unboxing of my Lou camera bag, the YSL Lou camera bag. I'll leave the link down below, as well as my YSL card holder as well. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I'll probably check in, I don't know, maybe tomorrow or like when. I didn't realize that it stopped recording, but yeah, that's basically the plan. I don't know how long these vlogs are going to be, but I'm trying. I'm doing my best. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Hey guys, so it's the next day and I am at this restaurant. I mentioned yesterday that I'm meeting my friend. It's like a Mediterranean shisha lounge. But yeah, I'm like super early, but I'm really happy because there's limited parking here, and so if I didn't come on time I would run the risk of not being able to find parking, which is a nightmare because this place is like opposite of Forest and it's on a main road, so it would have been a mess for me. So I'm glad I got here early. So I'm just waiting for her and I just changed my shoes. Well, you can't see, but I was wearing Converse to drive, but I've just changed into my over-the-knee boots. And then I'm also rocking my Lou camera bag, which I am so excited about. And I changed my card case too to the YSL, the card case that you saw I unboxed. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys when we go inside and when my homegirl finally gets here. There she is. She finally got here. Where's she going? She's too funny. Oh, she's finally here. I'm so annoyed. Say hi to the vlog. Hey! Sorry, this place is a mess. Hold on. Oh, that's for you, by the way.
Oh, stop it!
I know, I'm always bearing gifts.
Why are you always wearing gifts?
I can't show the. Oh, I'll cover it up anyway. But yeah, because you know I always get loads of stuff, so I was like, I figured why not. Say hey! Oh my gosh, you're so cute! I know you were panicking, but you were turning it here. Let me see your outfit.
I'm meant to wear these shoes,
but you're wearing heels. Yeah. Did you drive in them?
Because this thing is.
Oh, it looks lovely. Oh, thank you. Thank you. taste it. Okay, taste it then. Is it good? It looks like bangers and mash.
It's nice.
Yeah.
I need sauce though.
I'm basic. I got a burger. Hi guys, so I'm gonna end the video here because it's, I don't even know what time it is. It's about 10 o'clock. And yeah, I'm just on my way home, but I am so tired. It's not even that late and I'm so tired, but I guess it's because I've got obviously work tomorrow morning. So yeah, I'm just going to end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Sorry I'm not paying attention to you, I'm obviously on the road. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I hope you all have an amazing rest of the day, whatever time you're watching. Hello everyone. I don't know if you can, like, the light's really weird, but today I'm starting off with another vlog. I'm really proud of myself. I feel like I've been doing really well with the vlogs. But yeah, so today I'm actually going to meet up with my sisters and we are going to go to a restaurant. I think the cuisine is quite similar to the one I went to with my friend. I think it's like Mediterranean Turkish food, I don't really know. But yeah, we're gonna go there and then probably just chill and, you know, catch up. Sorry if the lighting is going in and out. It's really weird. Like, it was raining this morning and now it's like super bright, but yeah, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that much footage, but we'll see. I really don't know how people do like daily vlogging because it's so hard. Like, it's just so difficult because Monday to Friday you're working and then like Saturday and Sunday go by so fast, so it's like, where is the actual time to record anything like remotely interesting? But I'm trying, and the last vlog that I put out did really well, so I'm really happy about that. So I'm going to continue trying to because I really like the kind of like lifestyle route that my channel is going towards, like luxury with a bit of lifestyle and just, you know, so I'm trying my best.